Hello and welcome to another video by George's Shed, and today we're going to be fitting this aerial cable to the satellite on the roof. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all you need to get your satellite cable, or aerial cable as some people call it. It is the same thing. So the connectors that I'm going to be connecting on the ends of this cable are called F-type connectors. So those are the connectors you need to get. And then the process of installing them is first of all you need to cut off the plastic coating on the end of the cable, and then there'll be a central plastic core surrounded by metal shielding, and what you need to do is bend the shielding back over the rubber seal or cover. And then you remove the plastic bit that covers the copper core, and then you can slot on the connector, and then it should have a thread on the inside of the connector, and that should allow you to screw it onto the end of the cable. These were too small really for this type of cable, so try and get ones that roughly fit the size of your cable, because this was quite difficult to get on. So as you can see, I'm having to use the pliers to clamp it on because it's too hard to turn. If you're wondering why I'm doing this, it's because we needed a cable for a telly in the garden so we could watch the World Cup final. So once you've screwed it on, then you can cut off any extra shielding that's poking through. And then to finish off the connector, you cut the central copper core down to about just over the length of the connector, like I'm showing now. So now I'm going onto the roof to plug it in to the satellite. So there I am, plugging it into the bottom of the satellite receiver. And these connectors just screw onto the cable, onto the connector, so they don't come out, which is good. So then, the order that I did it in was I did one connector and then plugged it in and then brought the cable down so I could see how long it was. But there wasn't much of the cable left, so I just put it straight onto the end of the cable. And once again, it's the exact same process as we installed the first connector. And that's pretty much all I need to do, and now got a satellite cable connected into the satellite.
Thanks for watching this short video. If you enjoyed this video then please drop a like, leave a comment, and if you want to see more then subscribe. Bye!